They might land
Get
in
Josie.
the go-kart. I kind of want to go home.
Hey, can you grab Josie?
Why?
So that she doesn't get hit by something.
The sky's falling.
It's all going that way.
This guy is flying.
Are these?
I saw the plane engine sputter, and then I saw things fly out the back.
Well, I think I
Oh my
saw
God.
like
Ooh.
something, like some. Oh my gosh!
Hey.
Oh yeah, there's more things.
Yeah, Che, why don't we get going? Because these things are just falling.
Everybody's leaving.
It's just dropping pieces.
Holy.
Yeah, I think we should go.
Yeah, let's go. Where's Josie? Holy shit. I know, grab the dog. I don't know what it is. Lila!
Pieces of metal?
Yeah. It came from the plane.
Well, I hope the plane is growing.
It's raining metal. If you want to stay up to date on viral stories like these, please hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead, I'll wait. You done? Thank you. United Airlines Boeing 777 operating as Flight 328 flying from Denver to Honolulu suffered a serious engine failure on takeoff. It made an emergency landing and everybody is okay. Love that for them. Check out these pieces of the engine falling from the sky. A passenger on United 328 took this video of flames shooting out from the engine. Some people told me they said prayers and held their loved ones' hands as they looked out the window. This is the moment United Flight 328 landed in DIA, and you can hear the passengers cheering. There were 231 passengers and 10 crew members on board. United said in a statement there are no reported injuries and they will share more information as it becomes available. What do you think of United Boeing 777 suffering an engine failure after takeoff from Denver? Sound off in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting my face on the right hand side.